Hello Android developers. Today we'll learn how to fix Android Gradle plugin incompatibility error with the Gradle version. I wanted to extract the SHA-ON debug key from the Android Studio terminal, but it shows this error. It's due to incompatibility between Gradle version and Android Gradle Plugin AGP. As you can see, I'm using AGP 8.6, which required Java 17 and Gradle 8.6 or higher. So let's solve it. Close this window, click File and Project Structure, and here you can see that I am using Gradle plugin version 8.6 and Gradle version is already higher than 8.6. So you can try 8.6 or any other version, or especially 7.5. Then okay, it will download your selected Gradle version. It can be done in other ways. Just click Gradle wrapper properties. Now we need to rewrite your desired version, or just copy and paste the link from the Gradle version. After setting everything up, click Sync Now button. But I won't use this version, so I skip this method. I will try to solve this by installing a hard version of Java. So first we need to check the Java version. So open cmd and type Java version and press enter. As you can see, I'm using Java 8. So let's install a hard version. I already downloaded Java 17. Its full version is 17.0.10. Now let's install it. Remember the path. Now open Android Studio again. So now we need to set Java path. So click Gradle properties and paste this command line. Open Java installed directory. Now copy this directory and paste here. Now you need to add double backslash. Now press Sync Now. Now let's check again. Click Terminal and retype your command. As you can see, the project has successfully started building. Wait a little bit. And build successful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.